The chemistry is our team's name.
And winning Kreasi is our goal.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Malika Ramadhani.
And my name is Faiz Emirsyah Yusuf.
And we are students from State Center High School to Kota Tangerang City. In this beautiful day, we would like to present our Kreasi project with the title
The use of charcoal from TREMBESI waste as a biosorben to reduce the peroxide number in used cooking oil.
Cooking oil is one of the basic needs for the people in Indonesia, according to the result of the National Socio-Economic Survey or SEBAGAI conducted by BTS between 2015 and 2020. Palm cooking oil consumption increased every year.
Unfortunately, Indonesians have habits of using cooking oil repeatedly. Oil that has been used twice or more for frying is called used cooking oil, and it undergoes both physical and chemical change.
To overcome this problem, one way is to purify used cooking oil through an absorption process.
So, this research aims to first to determine whether the TREMBESI waste charcoal can reduce the peroxide number in used cooking oil.
Second, to find out how the effectiveness of TREMBESI charcoal in this study to reduce the peroxide number in used cooking oil.
This research began on February 10, 2025 until September 3, 2025, which was carried out at State Center High School to South Tangerang City and National University Laboratory.
The method used in this research is quantitative analysis.
We use three types of used cooking oil sample, which are household, fried food, and catfish pecel.
These are the tools and materials.
This research is divided into three stages. The first is the preparation stage. We collected used cooking oil samples and TREMBESI samples. Then, the TREMBESI was dried in the sun for 5 days, after which the TREMBESI was made into charcoal using an oven at 200 Celsius for 1 hour. Then, the charcoal was pulverized using a mortar and a pestle, then sieved. TREMBESI, there are three samples, which are TREMBESI charcoal powder, TREMBESI charcoal that is still in shape, and raw TREMBESI.
Charcoal powder of TREMBESI waste was put into 100 ml of used cooking oil, and the charcoal used was 7.5 gram. Then mixed and stirred, then soaked. Variations of soaking duration are for 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours.
The second stage is the experiment. The experiment is divided into 4 tests. In the color and other tests, we only observe changes in color and other using the sense of sight and sense of smell on the sample of used cooking oil that had been soaked with TREMBESI samples, and then compare them with the samples of used cooking oil without treatment.
In this experiment, we used the titration method. 1 gram of oil sample was dissolved in 10 ml of methanol, heated until bubbles appear, and mixed with 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. The solution was titrated with 0.1 normality of sodium hydroxide using a base catalyst until a pink color appeared. Free fatty acids can be calculated using the following formula.
The last test is the peroxide number test. This test is divided into 2 stages. The first one is determining the blank, and the second one is determining the peroxide number in used cooking oil. In determining the blank, the material used is 30 ml of distilled water. While determining the peroxide number in used cooking oil, the material used is 5 grams of used cooking oil. The next stages for blank and used cooking oil are the same, wherein 1 gram of potassium iodide is added to the solution, followed by 30 ml acetic acid chloroform in a ratio of 3:2. The mixture was shaken to dissolve, covered with aluminum foil and left for 30 minutes. After adding 30 ml of distilled water and 0.5 ml of 1% ammonia solution, the mixture was titrated with 0.01 normality of sodium thiosulfate until the blue color disappeared. Peroxide number can be calculated using the following formula.
The last stage is results.
Experimental and test results can be concluded that TREMBESI charcoal can be used as an adsorbent to reduce the peroxide number and free fatty acids in used cooking oil. This shows that the ability of charcoal in powder form is best in this experiment.
The best result on free fatty acid reduction were when MRT was soaked with B80 and 80 for 6 hours, which had an effectiveness of 67%. And then MG, which was also soaked with B80 and 80 for 6 hours, with an effectiveness of 77% in reduction and 67% in MPC.
Meanwhile, the best result of reducing peroxide number is when the 3 oil sample are soaked with B80 for 6 hours, which has an effectiveness of 62% in MRT, 69% in MG, and 80% in MPC.
In the future, this research can be further developed in order to get a better result, such as being able to eliminate toxicity in used cooking oil, clarify the color of used cooking oil, and reduce free fatty acids and peroxide numbers in order to meet the SNI standards.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to support us by like
and share this video.
Every step forward is a step towards your goal.